good morning. Good morning guys. Ganun lang view dito guys. Lahat guys, puro building. Ito po yung sa Mega Trade guys. Guys. Doon guys. Punta tayo doon guys. Kasi hindi pa sarap, hindi pa bukas guys. Hello guys. Ganda ng flowers ito guys. Lahat po yan guys building. Ayan po yung MRT guys. Hello, kumusta? Hello everyone. Yan, ipasyal ko muna na kayo dito guys sa Mega guys. Mega Mall. Yan guys. Hi guys, hello. Good morning, Philippines. Hello mahal, kumusta mahal? Missing you mahal. How's your day? Have a good sleep tonight. Bye for now mahal. Good night to you because I'm going to work. Yeah, look mahal. Not sunny day already, but you know, maybe later so sunny and cloudy. Wait lang guys ha. Na tayo guys ha. Guys, dito na po ako guys. Hi Philippines! Good morning! Yan, dito na po ako guys. Pero mamaya pa po ang bukas ng mall. Nagka-time in lang muna ako guys. Doon ako papasok guys. Yan, doon sa may ano guys, sa ground floor yan. Doon sa may security guard. Yan. Then, yan guys, haba ng building ng Mega Mall. Sa letter B po ako guys. Doon lang po sa kabila. Letter A. And then dito po sa kabila ay letter B. Haba ng Mega Mall guys. Maliligaw ka dito guys pag pupunta ka dito. At first time. Ganda ng view guys oh. Hi guys. Good morning, good morning. Good morning mga higala. Good morning.